Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix packet loss issue in Counter-Strike 2 game. So if you are also facing the same problem, then go through this video guide. So the first method is to update your network drivers. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand network adapters. Select the network adapter and then click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update for the drivers, and after that try to play the game and check if the error is resolved. Next solution is to ensure your connection is stable. So make sure your connection is properly set up or stable so that you don't face any kind of error while playing the game. If you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data or another Wi-Fi, or simply do vice versa, and after that check if the error is fixed. Next solution is to change internet packet priority. So for that, what you need to do is go to the device manager over here, then expand your network adapters, and here you need to select the Realtek controller. So select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now go to the advanced, and here you need to find priority and VLAN. So here it is, select it, it is enabled, simply click on OK, and after that check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next is to reset internet using command prompt. So I have provided these commands in the description, just go through it. So in the search bar you need to search for command prompt, and here you need to paste these commands one by one. So paste it and then enter, and after that again copy this and then enter. After this again copy the command, next copy it, and last you need to copy this and press enter. So after this check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to change DNS settings. So for that, go to control panel or search for control panel, then click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing, and here click on change adapter settings. Select your Wi-Fi, click on properties, then here you need to select internet protocol version, then click on properties, then select use the following DNS server, and here you need to type 8.8.8.8, and below you need to type 8.8.4.4. so this is only you need to type, and after that press OK, and then try to check if the packet loss issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to reset network settings. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for settings. Now click on network and internet, then go below, click on advanced network settings. After that go below and click on network reset, and finally you need to click on reset now. So after resetting the network, now try to check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, click on here, now click task manager, then under processes tab you need to find the apps that are of no use or consuming high resources. So simply select it, right click on it, click on end task, and the app will be closed completely. So after that try to check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, the next solution is to create port for CS2. So what you need to do is simply open your browser and search for CS2 Steam ports. So simply copy this and search in your browser CS2 Steam ports. Now click on the website over here, go below, and you can find the TCP and UDP code is here. So what you need to do is now go to the search option over here and search for Windows Defender Firewall, and here you need to click on advanced settings. After that, click on inbound, and from right side you need to click on new rule, select port, then click on next. Under TCP you need to type the code. So go to the browser where you have so from the website you need to simply copy this TCP code and then go here and enter the code. After that, click on next. Now again click on next, and here you need to name the file. So simply CS2 TCP and then click on finish. See, after that again click on new rule, then click on port, then click on next, and here you need to select UDP, and here you need to paste the codes of UDP that you have in this website. So simply copy it from here and paste it here, then click on next. After that, next, and then click again next, and here you need to type CS2 UDP and then click on finish. So see, here the files have been updated, so you can delete also. So simply if you want, you can delete. So after creating these files, now try to check if the issue is resolved. So but before that, don't forget to restart your PC. Simply restart your PC once, and after that try to launch the game and check if the packet loss issue is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.